Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we will see how to add money in Qurantuitions wallet and also how to use the money from Qurantuitions wallet. Simply go to Qurantuitions app, go to my account. If not logged in, then log into your account. Click on my wallet. Then scroll down. There you will see two buttons, wallet top up and transactions. Click on wallet top up. Again scroll down. Enter the amount that you want to add to your wallet and then click on add. Fill up basic details, click on add money and do the payment. If you have any doubt about how to do the payment, then you can watch the how to book a session video for payment procedures. Now we will see how to use wallet money. Go to Qurantuitions app, go to my account. If not logged in, then log in. I have already logged in. I will simply book my desired session. Go to find tutor, search the tutor whose session you want to book. Then click on view profile. Select your preferred course. Select your preferred date and time for the session. Then add booking to cart. You can check your cart by clicking on the cart button in the bottom bar. Click on checkout. Fill up basic details. If you have money in your wallet, you will get an additional option for payment, pay by wallet. Tap on the box and tick it. The amount in the wallet will be deducted. Here, I had 65 rupees in wallet. I used the wallet amount for booking. Also, the order amount was rupees 65. So, the total amount that I have to pay is 0 here. If I had 65 rupees in wallet but my session cost was 70 rupees, I would have to make a payment of 5 rupees to book my order. Then click on book my session and your session will be booked.